Hi everyone, this is Gayle. Please excuse my voice. It is allergy season in Virginia, and I've got that raspiness today. But I wanted to get with you about, because I got my March Simply Earth recipe box, and I'm really excited about this month because it's all about face care. And when you have aging skin like mine, or even if you have young skin, you might have other problems. Simply Earth has something for everyone as far as taking care of their face. So let me start by showing you what we've got. These are my extras. I got two of the empty deodorant containers because I'm going to use these for my lotions that I did last month. And I also got a box of foaming hand soap tablets. If you watched last month's box reveal, you saw that they had some face foaming hand soap tablets, and I have made two of them, and they're awesome. They come in a little packet like this, and all you do is put it in a foaming hand soap dispenser, add some essential oils and some distilled water, and you're ready to go. It is so nice. Takes a lot of the mixing and things out of it. Excuse me. I'll be so glad when I can get over this. But this month's box has lemon essential oil, geranium essential oil, copaiba essential oil. This is something new for me. I've been hearing a lot about it, so this will be the first time I get to use that one. And our blend for this month is the Clear Skin Blend. So that's really awesome. Now, our extras in the box are a face serum base. So again, if you want to use a serum on your skin, which I've been using a serum for the last month, and I absolutely love it. It is making the biggest difference in my skin. And when it's as mature as mine, it takes a lot. So the ingredients in this oil is camellia seed oil, uh, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, rose hip oil, cannabis or hemp seed oil. And you use this, and I'll show you with the recipe later how to use that. But that's going to be awesome. We also have some emulsifying wax. Now, the emulsifying wax, it says it allows you to mix oil and water together. This, I don't know what it does. I don't know how it works. But when you use this with oil and water, they mix together and stay mixed. We also have, I forgot how to pronounce this, gosha, something like that. This is a little tool that you use on your face. You can use it like this. When you get down to these areas, there's a little V to help you there. I've never used one, but people that I have heard that have used these say it makes a big difference in their skin. And of course, we have our labels. Every month you get labels for your bottles. A face care. This is all about the face care. Let's see what's in here. There's a free guide to DIY serums. And here is this one I did. This one is the Gentle Face Cleanser. I've been using that too. And I can't tell you how happy I am that I can make my own face care products and not have to pay a fortune for things with these ingredients in a store. There's a QR code for that. Okay, that's it for this. and then our recipe cards. Every month you get 6 recipe cards. So let's see what we've got here. The Fresh Flowers Face Serum. We're going to use the serum base, geranium, lemon, and copaiba essential oils in the guasha for our face. And from home, it says you need a ½ ounce serum bottle. If you don't have a ½ ounce serum bottle, any small bottle will work. I even have bought some 2-ounce serum, dropper bottles off of Amazon, and I use those for things like this. And then we're going to also, the next one is Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is something else I'm dying to try. Use almond oil, coconut oil, emulsifying wax, beeswax, and the Clear Skin essential oil blend. And this makes a balm, which is like a creamy jelly type thing. And to use it, you put it to your face on your face in a thin layer, and then rinse it away. So that's going to be interesting. I can't wait to do that. We have a Clear Skin roll-on. Now, the roll-on bottles come in your big bonus box that you get with your first order, and then every 6 months after that. And you use the Clear Skin oil blend, the serum base, and almond oil. And it says this recipe uses a 5% dilution rate, which is recommended to be used only as needed and not on a daily basis. This is something that if you have a blemish, you would roll it on that blemish, and it would help clear it up. The next one is the New Horizons diffuser blend. Every month you get a diffuser blend recipe. This one is lemon, copaiba, and geranium. And you mix that together to make a diffuser blend. You can do it either one application to a diffuser if you're using a air diffuser, or if you want to use a larger diffuser like with water, there's a master blend that tells you how to use it. But I've heard that this smells really good. Makeup priming butter. This is another one I've been hearing a lot about. This one is coconut oil, almond oil, geranium, and copaiba essential oils, and you'll need a 2-ounce jar from home. And in the notes here, you would combine all these. It says to use it on your face before applying makeup as a smoothing primer, or you can use it by itself. It says to support glowing, healthy skin. You can use it like a moisturizer. And one of the tips from Katie is if the almond oil feels greasy on your skin, you can try using jojoba oil or our serum base instead. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, I recommend swapping the coconut oil with mango butter or using this recipe as written on areas of dry skin rather than on the face. So there you go with that one. And then Luxurious Face Cream. This is another one I've been dying to try. I've been making different face creams, and so far I like them all. This you use almond oil, coconut oil, emulsifying wax, beeswax, copaiba, geranium, and lemon essential oil. Now, if you need things from home, it's a 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, which is optional, and Geogard, which is a preservative, that's also optional, and then a 4-ounce jar. And you'll need a food thermometer or a hand mixer, or either a hand mixer or a stick mixer. Any of those things will work. And this is you can see this has got a double-sided recipe. So this one is going to be rather complicated. Here's a note from Katie. If you're not using a preservative, store in the fridge and use within 12 days. The lemon essential oil will not have phototoxic effects in the amount used in this recipe. I don't know if any of you know, but anything that you use lemon oil in on your skin, when you go out into the sun, it makes it more susceptible to sunburn. But with this dilution in here, it does not cause that to happen. Let's see. This recipe, in this recipe, you're using emulsifying wax to create an emulsion between oil and water. This will only work if your oil and water mixtures are similar in temperatures. If they are more than 5 to 10 degrees apart, your lotion will separate over time. So it's a thing where you have two containers and you got to get them both about the same temperature. And then it goes on about the shelf life. It says this lotion is great for dry to normal skin. For oily skin, I recommend swapping the coconut oil for mango butter and the almond oil for jojoba for a lighter skin feel. If very dry, I recommend swapping the coconut oil for shea butter for more moisturizing effects, which is what I'll do. For more tips and tricks for making your own moisturizers, check out Simply Earth's Essential Oil Hero course. The Hero course is the course that you have access to when you order your first recipe box and every month thereafter. This course is like a $500 course, but it's free to you, and it'll be given to you out in sections. Like when you use the face recipes, they'll release the section on the face. If it's for cleaning, it'll release the ones for cleaning. Now let's see next month, because they always have. Here's a sneak at next month's box. Next month is going to be for cleaning. And you'll want the Citrus Burst Blend, tea tree oil, or not you want, this is what will be in it. Citrus Burst Blend, tea tree oil, oregano oil, and grapefruit oil. And things you'll want to have at home is a 16-ounce spray bottle, an 8-ounce jar, isopropyl alcohol, distilled water, and baking soda. And then it says when you coming soon to Simply Earth are cleaning balms. When you need extra ground-fighting cleaning power, use Simply Earth's cleaning balms to get your home sparkling clean. Well, that's interesting because everything I've used for their cleaning, because I've been with Simply Earth now for over 12 months. So I've been through the cleaning, and I really love the laundry sheets. I like the, I can't think of what it's called. There's a cleaning tablet that you mix in a bottle with water, and a spray bottle, and you use that to spray and do your cleaning on, surface cleaning and things like that. I'm sure there's other cleaning things I use that I just can't think of right now. But they're cleaning, if you're trying to do away with chemicals and go with more natural, cheaper cleaning regimens, this is your thing. And speaking of reducing chemicals, I went to my doctor this week before all this started, and we were discussing my diet, and I have a situation where my cholesterol is not bad, but I need to get it better because I'm beginning to get plaque in my arteries. So even though my number is good, they wanted about half that number. So we were talking about substitutions, and when I mentioned spray margarine, like Pam or things like that, she said it is so full of chemicals that she would rather, if I have to have butter, she would rather I just use butter. And she told me not to use the Pam because of all of the chemicals that are in there. So even the doctors are now trying to wean people off of the chemicals. But let me tell you a little bit. If you want to sign up for your recipe box, get it early. because they usually sell out around, the 26th or so of the month. They usually sell out. And the popular ones, which I think the face uh, theme is going to be bought out rather quickly, those sell a little bit earlier. So if you want to get it as soon as you can in the month. And when you order it the first time, if you use the link that I've got below to get to the website, you will receive a $15 off of the purchase of your recipe box. You'll also get the free bonus box. And then if you use the discount code that I also have below, which I believe is Mimi's Market Free, you will get a free $45 gift card, which will be good for anything on the Simply Earth website. Oils, diffusers, containers, blends, you name it. But I don't believe it's good. It works on the recipe box. But you have $45 worth of things that you can use, order, and that just makes it so great because you're getting an awful lot for, let's see, it's regular $44.99, so you take $15 off. It'll be like, what, $29? So that makes it even a better deal. So I'll have all the information below. You'll also have access to the Hero course, which teaches you everything you need to know about essential oils. So hopefully you will come back soon and see me. I'm going to try to get some of these recipes done. I need a day when my daughter's not home to do my recipes because she works from home, and when she does, I have to be quiet. And you can tell by my voice, I don't stay quiet very well. So, I just happened to see something. The value of our recipe box this month is $198.91, and you get it for $44.99. Of course, like I say, if you use the link below, you'll get $15 off of that. So that always helps. So come back again soon, and I'll see if I can't get some of my recipes done for you. Thanks for watching. And if you would, give me a thumbs up below because it really helps my standing with YouTube. And if you do the thumbs up, it really helps. And if you subscribe, it helps even more. So I will see you soon. Bye-bye.